everyone, so today I'll be showing you 2 holiday hairstyles that you can do for your long hair. Now I know a lot of people say that when you have long hair, you can do a lot of hairstyles, but trust me, when your hair is this long like mine, it's actually hard to do hairstyles on your own hair because the struggle is real. So I'm just gonna make these hairstyles very easy, simple, and quick to do for all of you who also have long hair like me. And also some of these hairstyles you can also use and pull off if you have medium length hair. So let's get started. Alright, so first what I will be doing is I'm going to do my classic high ponytail bubble braids on my hair. That's usually my go-to hairstyle right now. I'm simply going to put all of my hair up just like this. If you have long hair like me, this brush is ideal to use on your hair because it doesn't tug your hair at all, and I like how it smoothens the top part of my hair as well. Alright, now that's done, I'm going to grab my ponytail and secure that in place. Alright, now that's done. You want your ponytail to be high up right here. And to be doing is you're going to grab a section of hair just like that, and then wrap that right here to cover up the hair tie. And when you get here, go ahead and secure that with a bobby pin. So right now it's gonna look something like that. Now you can wear this as is, and you can just stop from right here. This type of hairstyle actually reminds me of like Kim Kardashian's famous classic high ponytail. So that's that. Now the second one, and what I like to do with this is to create bubble braids. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm just gonna get this elastic band right here. And then I'm going to create the first bubble. There, and then I'm just going to start pulling the sides so it would look big and puffy. I'm going to create another one now. And basically I'm just going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to pull the sides just like that. Right, so that's it. That's what it looks like right there. A very simple, easy hairstyle that gets the hair out of my face, and also it's very quick and easy to do as well. Alright, so for the second hairstyle, I'm just going to be creating kind of like a half up, half down hairstyle, but I am going to be making kind of like a bow, a little bow right here using my hair. See, this is like the struggle all the time when you have long hair. It's not fun doing hairstyles on your own when you have my hair length. Okay, right. So, at this point, an elastic band. You can also use a hair tie, but I prefer using this. Down your hair like this. And after that, instead of going all the way, I'm just going to stop right there. You're gonna have something that looks like that. Then I'm just going to half it. It's going to look something like that. But of course, we are going to situate that at first, and we're gonna bobby pin it in place. This is very hard for me to do because the only mirror that I have right now is my viewfinder, and it's kind of far. Alright, so that's what it looks like right now. I fixed it in the mirror. It looks kind of decent now, and my dog is barking once again. From in here, you can actually leave it as is and make it look like that, or you could as well curl the bottom parts of this. I mean, like as is, it actually looks cute already, but you can add on some curls if you want to. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so that's what it looks like right there. You don't have, as I said, you don't have to curl all of your hair all the way. Alright, so that is it. If you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And also if you found this video helpful, please do share it to your long-haired friend. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!